Okay, so currently I'm pursuing BTech from GIT college. It's college located in Bhubaneswar. Yeah. Currently I'm in second year. Yeah, yeah. And where are you from? Okay, you're from Maharashtra. And are you a student? You're looking for job. And are you learned any technology? Okay. Okay. You completed web development. Yeah, okay. So in Maharashtra, which is famous places for walking? Walking. Yeah, yeah. Suppose that I'm from, yeah, yeah. I want to visit that place because I'm from Bihar and I want to go in Maharashtra. So which place first time I should go visit there? Yeah, I think in Maharashtra lots of places for visit first time. Yeah, yeah, I don't know, but I will explore about it. And who is chief minister of Maharashtra? Okay, Devendra Fadnavis. Yeah, yeah. He is belongs to BJP. Yeah. So how is working there currently? I think he is from last 2 years. And according to you, according to you, can you tell me three words which was done good for Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis ji? Three words. Yeah, words. Yeah, okay. In this Yojana, girls payment for money for women's for help. Yeah, yeah. So it's a give a all women's or some specific some. Yeah, yeah. So it's a good scheme according to you. And second one, yeah. So according to you, who is best CM? If I will compare Yudhav Thackeray versus his brother's name, Eknath Shinde. Shinde, who was a CM before this election. Uh, Currently, you are looking jobs. So, are you apply any company for job? Yeah. So, you have, after completion my BTech, I want to go for higher study. I want to do MTech from IIT. Yeah, yeah, Indian exam. No, no. IIT conduct a GATE exam. Do you know about GATE exam? Yeah. So in GATE exam, yeah, yeah. Did you completed your dinner? Yeah, yeah, I completed. Yeah, I completed my dinner. Yeah, in Bihar, you can say visit Patna, and say there is a zoo, and say you can zoo, चिड़ियाघर, and say also, yeah, yeah. Also you can visit Rajgir. Bihar part Gaya district. It's from Gaya district, and also you can visit Nalanda because a very famous Vishwavidyalaya in Bihar, Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya. Yeah, Nalanda University. So uh, if someone go there for visit, so they need to take permission from their a staff member and faculty member who I use this app last 6 7 days regularly, and I feel very well because before this app I also use English Talk app and other app, but there was lots of problem because people came and not talking relevant things, and someone came and just cut the call, and I see in the on this app this is very good because everyone come for learning purpose. Yeah, and in some app also people are come and also doing misbehave. Yeah, but in this app, yeah, very less chance. I'm saying in the on these applications, doing misbehave very less. No, rare people doing misbehave on this app, and no any internet issue on this app server issue. Yeah, and also it's free. In my life, I want to doing job. I want to become a software engineer. So it's my goal plan. Favorite testing, I want to work on uh, React. Hello. Now I'm audible. Can you repeat your question? Yeah, yeah. Uh, I would like to doing programming, coding. I like it. And according to me, I like it C++. But in industry, not use C++. Yeah, very less company use, but some company use Java. Okay, okay, Tony. Yeah, okay, okay. Okay, bro. Nice, nice to talk with you. Yeah, thank you.